Okay, in this next chapter, we're going to discuss kind of extending our previous knowledge on like area and perimeter and circumference and things like that. Okay, so in this first section, we're going to talk about how we can develop formulas for triangles and a few different types of quadrilaterals. So in this warm-up, it asks us to find the unknown side length in each right triangle with legs A and B and hypotenuse C. Right? So basically all we're doing here is we're finding the Pythagorean theorem and finding the unknown side length. Okay, so in example number 1, A and B are both legs here, so I can say that this is now going to be 20 squared plus 21 squared equals C squared. Remember, A squared plus B squared equals C squared is the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, you're going to need a calculator for this lesson, so 20 squared tells me, well, my calculator rather tells me that 20 squared is 400. Okay, my 21 squared, my calculator tells me that is 441, and that all equals C squared. So I'm just going to simplify here a little bit. If I add these two numbers together, I get 841. Okay, and I know that the opposite of squaring something is taking the square root here. And so C should equal the square root of 841, which my calculator tells me that is going to be 29. Okay, and again, we can check our answer and just see if it's reasonable because our hypotenuse should be our longest length, which it is. Okay, let's check out a couple other examples here. So in this one, they give us one of the legs and the hypotenuse. So in this case, I'm going to write A squared plus 21 squared equals 35 squared. Okay, and I get now A squared plus, I did this one in the last one, so I know that this is 441, and this equals 35 squared, which my calculator tells me that is 1,225. Okay, doing a little subtraction here to solve for A squared, I get 784. And then I can take the square root of each side, and it looks like this is going to give me 28. So I can say that A equals 28. Okay, and we'll look for one more last one here. This one, in this particular example, our A is 20 and our C is 52. And so we need to figure out what B is. So I'll say that 20 squared plus B squared equals 52 squared. Okay, again, 20 squared is just 400. 52 squared, I'm definitely going to have to plug that into a calculator. Okay, that gives me 2,704. Okay, doing a little bit of subtraction here, I'll again subtract 400 from each side, and that'll leave me off with now 2,304. And then I'll take the square root of each side, and that should give me my answer for my other leg. Okay, this will finally give me 48. Okay, so again, hopefully this prerequisite skills with the Pythagorean theorem will help us out for our lesson today.